asuntoskeittiö Paasipulla.
It's also pretty nice today. But also, like I say, we would like to film places today on the 16th of July 2025. We have Mariankatu 17th staircase here in Lahti, Finland. Has been modernized with Kone Delta pictures. On the floor indicator it says floor 1 the first floor, but on the floor it says 2.
Yeah.
Numbers, that's confusing. So, it's built in 1959, promised in 2007. That makes me project. They think of this. But still important because it's Delta.
Yeah.
The number is 7908, beautiful Roman numbers.
Yeah.
And this is 1 or 2 ranks left.
Sure.
Yeah. Skips what for some reason.
Yeah.
But this is, but it's the one on it.
Yeah. Spektiitpaikki väistytään meitä Kone.
This was unknown, we didn't know of, so yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was nice KSS.
Yeah.
It's been proven before with the physics interior before.
Yeah. Staircase also.
Yeah.
That's